Here we have a 2020 70 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport MHEV. Now with this vehicle you do get over £2,000 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked aftermarket AMS alloy wheels. They are 22 inches and in satin black, and do have the blue M Sport brake calipers just handy behind. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the black kinegos on the front. Full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skate extensions, rear boot spoiler, rear diffuser, and you also have that middle spoiler lip. We do have the M Performance style wing mirrors, so like the M4s, as you can see just there. Very cool wing mirror indeed. Blacked out stands, you get the black paintwork, black wheels, black roof bars with your black window trim, and also the privacy glass on the rear. Split fold tailgate, which is power assisted, dual exhaust flush for the rear bumper, and also the rear diffuser. 360-degree cameras on this vehicle as well. Now to open the rear boot, simply push the button just underneath there, or push the button on the key and it will then open. You can also press this button just here, and then you have the split fold tailgate, which makes it easier to load into the back. Now on the button just there, you press that button just there, as you can see, just there. Then the rear of the vehicle will then also lower to make it easier to load stuff into the back of the car. Now it is also power assisted back down again from a touch of a button on the tailgate. Now as you can see, it is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It is a very clean car indeed, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially with those AMS aftermarket alloy wheels. Going to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest in the centre, storage behind passenger and the driver's seat. On the doors, electric windows with your leather trim, integrated Harman Kardon speakers with your ambient lighting. Going to the front, there's a quick look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver's front seat is heated, electric and memory, and the passengers is just heated and electric. Memory function just on the door, electric windows with electric power folding mirrors. You've got a button for the power assisted tailgate, integrated Harman Kardon speakers just there as well. We have your multifunction steering wheel with your digital dash. You also have the screen just in the centre, your heads up display just there as well. Now on the screen in the centre you can find Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth Media, Bluetooth Audio connectivity, DAB radio, satellite navigation, and the list does go on. BMW individual trim all over the interior of this car. Control panel just there if you don't want to use the touchscreen. You also have your air suspension just there as well, so you can raise and lower the vehicle at any time to suit your preferences and also suit your situations. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all the different specifications and optional extras that it does come with. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer a competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.